master the O sound in British received pronunciation, RP. First, the position of speech organs. Lips are rounded and pushed forward. Mouth almost closed. Tongue tip is behind the bottom teeth, and the back of the tongue is in the middle of back of the mouth. Jaw is loose, and the teeth are apart, and it is a long sound. Words for practice. Repeat and say it aloud whenever you hear a pause, trying your best to copy the pronunciation. Autumn, autumn. Walk, walk. Water, water. Almost, almost. Also, also. Auto, auto. War, war. Thought, thought. Taught, taught. Fall, fall. Cause, cause. Phrases now. Naughty daughter, naughty daughter. Small talk, small talk. Sentences. In autumn, leaves fall off the trees. In autumn, leaves fall off the trees. I thought we all agreed. The order is important. I thought we all agreed. The order is important. Audrey is abroad without her passport. Audrey is abroad without her passport. At 3:45, we'll call Mr. George's daughter in Cornwall. At 3:45, we'll call Mr. George's daughter in Cornwall. It's appalling. I'm bored of it. It's appalling. I'm bored of it. When I'm back, I start my laundry. When I'm back, I start my laundry. And to finally nail it, here is some verse. As I was going by Mr. King's yard, I saw a man sawing, and of all the sawyers I ever saw, I never saw a saw like that saw-sawed. As I was going by Mr. King's yard, I saw a man sawing, and of all the sawyers I ever saw, I never saw a saw like that saw-sawed.